Pay attention because today we're about to share a unique strategy to you which is going to help you to get paid online for using your Google Translate into your device. For sure, this is going to be combined with other platforms, but the only thing that you will need to do is to watch this video till the very end of it so you can start earning money from $6 up to $7, up to $14, and as well up to $21 by just sharing links online and using Google Translate. Everyone can make this work. You don't need any special skill or previous experience because we're going to be sharing with you step-by-step tutorial how to earn money online thanks to these platforms which are going to get offered to you for free. You just need your internet connection to work into your device and these tips and tricks that Better Personal Growth will share right now with you. Before going there, consider going to Better Personal Growth, giving a big thumb up to the video below if you're liking what you're watching, subscribing to the channel and pushing notifications on so you can get notified at any time. Now let's just jump straight forward to the very first thing that we will need to do, which is going to Google Translate. Now for those of you who've never heard about this, but that's ridiculous because I'm sure that most of you, I mean all of you, know what is Google Translate. Well, what you can do here is just to translate different languages into the detective language that you would like to have. Like, let's just consider that I'm going to be translating English into Chinese. What I'm going to be doing is just to change their places and to choose between all of these. Start typing there, and after that the Google Translate platform will make it for you. The other thing that we will need to do is go to cpagrip.com, and after that start registering there so we can create our new account and use the tools and tricks that we will need with CPA Grips. For sure, I have even a bonus tip at the end so you can maximize your earnings by using a very useful resource of traffic, so make sure to pay attention. And to cpagrip.com, for those of you who have never heard about CPA term, it means cost per action, and this is a marketing which is done online by sharing different links and getting paid and getting commissions by doing that. Now what we're going to be doing into cpagrip.com, for sure you can be reading different information about what they share, what they offer to you. You can become a publisher, become an advertiser, and as well they are going to help you to get supported from their staff full at any time. You will have dedicated payments team. You will be going globally directly. You will have fast payment and as well some of the best technologies and tools online. What is important is that this platform has been around since 2030, which it makes it 100% legit. Now that you are here, create your new account, and after that you can get directed into the main dashboard where you can be seeing something very important, which is the amount of money that people are just getting paid right now by using their options here, their tools, and as well their categories. You can see even names of the people who are getting paid, so this it makes it 100% secured and not a scam platform if you just check for all of their information. If you scroll more, you can see different categories given to you, different tools and different offers, so you can access them and get paid. In the left corner of the page you will see the dashboard. What is important for us, as you may be seeing right over here, I have highlighted it. It is offer tools. Click into my offers so you can get some of them and start sharing them and getting paid the amount of money that you may be seeing right over here for just bringing signups to this platform. So this is what CPA Grip is going to offer to you. You can see how much you are going to get paid with the amount of money that is given here. But as you may see, since there is used United States and it is highlighted that place, you can see that the amount of money is not so high. But if you go to this other platform called azlinks.io, you can see that from other places of the world you can get paid more. So today what we're going to be doing is just to choose Italy. Don't misunderstand me. For sure you can be sharing this kind of links, but these are going just to pay you less. If you go to search for other ones, for sure you're about to get paid more. So now for the moment we will just go to the search option and search for Italy or other places that you would recommend to get paid by using it. As you may see, if you click into payout, you will be able to see the highest amount of money that people are giving right over here, or businesses per sharing their links. First of all, what we're going to be doing is just to choose between of them. offers that are given here. So this one over here is giving you an iPhone 30 Pro, and this is what we're going to be doing to share their link to bring people to sign up here and to get paid per doing so you can get paid $50 at all for just one single click. Click into tracking domains, so you can be choosing between their domains, and what you're going to be choosing is morofiles.com. After that, just copy the link, and for sure you will have to follow another step which is quite important to me, which is going to help you to get paid more. It is called azlinks.io, and this is a platform where you can shorten, share, and earn thanks to the link that you are going to be shortening here. While a lot of people are doubtful and want to know why a platform is going to help you to get paid per shortening the link, it is because they bring there a lot of ads, and you can be able to see these ads, and for sure that's why they are going to pay you. First of all, you will have to create an account. After that, to shorten the link and earn money per doing that. Shorten your short links with your friends, forums, or websites and get paid every time that they click there, thanks to azlinks.io and as well cpagrip.io. So for sure you will be able to get paid from CPA grips and as well from the other platform AZLinks for sharing this kind of link online. Now that you are here, right over here, you can see different payment proof of people getting paid thanks to the platform right over here, how much they got paid, the amount of money, the data, and other information, which it makes it totally secure and legit. For sure, you can see even the methods. So for those of you who don't have a PayPal account, you can use the other ones. After that, after you have seen all of this information, what is important as well is to see the payout rates. So just click there and you can get directed here and to see how these places are getting like rated from different amount of money if you share this kind of links into these places or people who become from these places. And yeah, now that you saw all of these, what you're going to be doing after you shorten your link is for sure to secure some traffic. Where you're going to be finding it, for sure into your social media platforms, sharing it, but as well I would recommend you this bonus tip which is going to help you to maximize your earnings. It is called trafficcappedbar.com, and this is a platform where you can see different articles about different topics, but the traffic here it is too high. So what we're going to be doing is just to create a new account and get directed into their main dashboard where we're about to share our shorten link. After we have shared our shorten link, for sure we will have to type something there. So you can add the website, you will add the website that you want, and as well the title, the line, and the description about it. This is the moment where Google Translate is going to help us. You can be choosing the detected language English, and after that to turn it into Italian. So click this link and sign up to earn an iPhone 30. And what you're going to be doing right now is just to copy their translation and get directed into this main dashboard where you will have to paste what you have texted here, so you can make people to type or to click into your link at any time they want, and they want to like share it and get paid per doing so. So now that you have created your line, you will have to post it into this platform which is going to help you to get to secure a lot of traffic and get paid per doing so. For sure you can be sharing this even into your social media platforms, which is going to maximize your earnings for bringing people to sign up to this platform. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and pushing notifications on.